Hello everyone. In this video, we'll bring Chinese themes that many of you have asked me to do. There are many requests for theme backups. I will try to fulfill them if possible. At the beginning of the video, we will come to a simple style theme with an icon pack with dynamic effects when exiting the app. Most system applications have animations. Has dual home screen widgets. This theme I bring from request. Next theme. Tap to change widget size. iOS status bar support HyperOS. Simple and clean icon pack. This theme have a lot of features on lock screen. Tap to change dark mode or light mode wallpaper. Tap to custom lock screen widget. Double tap bottom bar to enter custom screen. Theme have a lot of depth effect wallpapers. Tap to quit Chang wallpaper. Enable or disable depth effect. You can turn off widget underclock if you want. Home screen wallpaper change too. This theme I bring from request. Next theme. Flashlight animation. Double tap to custom. Lock screen clock style. Custom notch. Custom standby mode. Lock screen, fingerprint. This theme I bring from request. Next theme. This theme I bring from request. Next theme. iOS dual SIM on status bar. This theme I bring from request. All themes include one backup file and video description. There are still many other theme backup requests. If possible, I will continue to do so in the following videos. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.